So it looks like whoever did this work, this additional work, they didn't finalize the sealant of this duct here. So go ahead and remove some of this. A lot of air leaking out of there. That's another reason why annual AC checkups are so important, especially with older homes. You could run into stuff like that, and that gap would have cost you hundreds of dollars over the summer. So we're going to see if we can get it sealed back up. This box is not in very good shape at all. And stuff like this is a great place for rodents to live as well. Nice and cool. Get in there and nest. Matter of fact, we should check and see if there's a nest in there. I don't see anything, so that's a good sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to get as much dirt and dust off the surface of this ductwork right here, and we're going to spray a little spray adhesive, let it get tacky. We're going to retape it, and then we're going to use our duct putty duct sealant, which you can get at any big box store. Seal it up. And don't forget to go to the channel and subscribe and like and see the annual AC checkup video. That's paramount. We reference in the video some of the key things that your AC technician should be able to check for you in that spring checkup. It's a little technique, it's a little spray adhesive, and you use this to neutralize any of the loose dust or debris that's still on there. That way your tape can adhere better. A lot of air blowing out right there. Typically you would use the aluminized AC ducting tape. We're in a pinch, so we're using some of this serious duct tape, which is fine. And again, the goal is just to get it to adhere, and then we're going to use our duct sealant to finalize. Since this ductwork is such a mess, I'm just using copious amounts to get it sealed, because it may or may not get changed in the future, in the near future rather. So depending on time and budget and stuff like that, we got to do the best we can with what we have while we're at a property, and do the best you can. The homeowner, the resident. This duct sealant will dry very hard and will be virtually indestructible. Oh yeah. Well, guys and gals, sometimes when you're in a situation and you don't have the materials you need, you have to be creative. This particular homeowner, we had a crafty mom, and she lent us some of her hodgepodge craft acrylic sealant adhesive for crafting projects, which worked great to neutralize the loose dust particles. And we have our traditional duct tape, which worked great. And this is a spare tub of duct sealant that I had on the truck. And with our resources combined, we've eliminated the air leaking from that transfer duct. Okay, it's hot up here, and I'm ready to hit the road. So if you guys run into a situation like this, you know what to do. You got this.